Alchemical Wizard 20, H3O2. Structured water, H3O2, or vortex water or crystalline water is just water found in nature. Like a natural spring mineral aquifer. Water in nature is usually structured just by picking up the trace minerals and spinning, usually in the sunlight. As water runs through nature, it spins around corners and curves, and this spinning creates a vortex, which structures the water. Another name for structured water is liquid crystalline water. Water's similar communicative properties to quartz, a crystal, makes it known as a liquid crystal, indicating that water has memory and can hold both healthy and harmful energetic patterns. Think cymatics. When water is recycled without letting it go through nature's cleansing cycle of evaporation, rain, and flowing in streams and being photonically energized or through a water structuring device, it can still contain energetic pollution. Water in its natural state has a complex structure which enables it to carry nutrients, both in physical and energetic states, for the purpose of feeding, cleaning and protecting everything it mingles with. Unnatural water is created by water softeners, distillers, and reverse osmosis systems which strip water of life-sustaining minerals such as calcium and magnesium. Calcium and magnesium contribute to the yin and the yang of life processes. Calcium constricts the muscles and magnesium relaxes the muscles. Calcium and magnesium are two of the many important minerals dissolved by water as it seeps down into the earth. Water is one of the primary sources of these minerals for our bodies and for all life forms, and yet our modern water treatment systems are removing them from the water. We've talked about how mutable water is, how it holds memory, and how our biological body is about 70% water in Alchemical Wizard 7. Structured water molecules held within our cells have a higher level of electrical charges, in a specific order that helps our cells function. When our cells' water molecules are optimally charged, this can potentially impact how the muscles and tissue throughout our bodies work. But when water is mechanically filtered, treated with chemicals and contaminated with various pollutants and toxins and large amounts of estrogen in our tap water, the structure changes, and then, that water loses almost all of its healing benefits. So because our cells now have to detoxify and charge the water and spin it to make H3O2, we lose that energetic synthesis from the natural start. So ordinary water filtration processes that have the purpose of cleaning drinking water also destructure water molecules in the process. When the water is no longer structured the way it was intended to be in nature, the health of your cells suffer. This can have a negative impact on our overall biofield physiology. Consider thinking of your own body water spending too much time indoors, boxed house or apartment TV, lighting, Wi-Fi, then car, then job, and away from natural sources of energy such as our sun, Solaris, and Gaia's earthy surface. Okay. I have had the privilege of drinking natural spring mineral water from the source at Mount Shasta many times, and believe me, I have never felt more energized, but like most of us I buy filtered water. So then what? How do I structure my water? Well, there are numerous ways to structure water, but to make the most powerful full-spectrum living structured water, try to incorporate magnetism and light, specifically the infrared spectrum, like our sun, sound, remineralization, crystals, Gaia's Schumann resonance frequencies, and other forms of subtle energies such as intention of your spoken word, like love, or a mantra, or a longer kind statement that utilizes gratitude. The easiest thing that I do to structure my water before I drink it is adding chlorophyll or liquid trace minerals. Then vortexing, stirring, my filtered water in a giant glass jar. Like the kind that makes sun tea. Then I hold it and tell it that it is loved and give it thanks for energizing my body water. Then I set it out in the sunlight for an hour or so. There are of course water revitalizing and structuring units that you can buy. Really consider doing research of your own and find what works for you. And if you're lucky enough to have a natural spring well near you, then kudos. This is probably one of the most holistic health concerns for overall avatar and biofield physiological health that I can think of. So important to consider how water in our body water is shaped, structured, and loved. Blessings. And of course my suggestion is, stay hydrated with structured water, H3O2, my friends. Travis Carper. May 16, 2019. Blog on 3decrees.org.